How to redeem a discount code on Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can redeem a discount code on Skillshare. So let's go ahead. The first step is to log in into your Skillshare account, just like I've done here. And then once you've done that, on the home page, move to the right side of the screen where you can see some icons such as sessions, my courses, notification bar, as well as your avatar icon. So once you can see your avatar icon, just click on it. Then after clicking on your avatar icon, a list of options will be displayed here. So just go ahead and click on account settings. So after clicking on account settings, you'll be brought to your account settings page automatically, most likely your profile settings page. So once you're on this page, move to the left side of the screen and then click on membership and payment. Now, since you're trying to redeem a discount code, the option that will be displayed there will be membership and payments instead of subscription and payments, because it is showing subscription and payments for me because I am not subscribed yet to Skillshare, but for you it will show membership and payment. So once you can see that we brought to the page, on this page all you need to do is to select the membership that you'd like to go for. Is it the annual or the monthly? And then move to the right side and click enter gift code or discount code, whichever one. Select it and then enter in the code that you would like to use. So after entering in the code, you will be a valid code, you will see the option select membership, click on it, and then just like that you will be able to redeem that discount code. So it's that simple. Okay, you can redeem your discount code in getting a membership on Skillshare. So go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.